Have you ever gotten that pit in your stomach feeling when you see Equifax in your inbox? Maybe you signed up for a free credit monitoring service years ago and forgot about it. Maybe you're just curious about what information this credit bureau has on you. Whatever the reason, you now have an Equifax account and you want it gone. But how do you delete an Equifax account online? Well, hold on to your hats, credit-conscious comrades, because that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick detour. We need to understand the difference between deleting your Equifax account and deleting information on your credit report. See, your Equifax account is basically your login for accessing services like credit monitoring or identity theft protection offered by the company. Deleting your account just means you won't have access to those features anymore. The information on your credit report, however, is a whole different beast. That stays put, even if you delete your account. Now, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. Here's the thing, you can't actually delete your Equifax account directly through their website. Instead, you'll need to cancel any active products or subscriptions you might have, and then contact Equifax to close the account itself. So, step 1, log into your My Equifax account. If you can't remember your login details, don't panic. There are ways to recover them, but that's a whole other video for another day. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings or billing section. This might be under My Account or something similar. Here, you'll want to check for any active subscriptions or products. These could be credit monitoring services, identity theft protection plans, or anything else you might have signed up for. If you see anything you don't recognize, investigate further before canceling. But if you have subscriptions you want to get rid of, follow the on-screen instructions to cancel them. Now, with your subscriptions out of the way, it's time to close the account itself. Unfortunately, as mentioned before, there's no simple delete account button. Here, you have two options, phone or mail. Option 1, calling Equifax. Pick up that phone and dial 1-888-EQUIFAX1, 888-378-4329. Be prepared for some hold time, but once you connect with a customer service rep, explain that you want to close your Equifax account. They'll likely ask you some verification questions to confirm your identity, so have your social security number and some other personal details handy. Option 2, mailing a request. If you're not a fan of phone calls, you can write a letter requesting account closure. In your letter, clearly state your intention to close your account and include your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. For your own records, send the letter certified mail, return receipt requested. Here's the address. Equifax Account Services, P.O. Box 740240, Atlanta, Georgia, 30374, 0240. Important note, whichever method you choose, make sure you get confirmation from Equifax that your account has been closed. This will save you a whole lot of frustration down the line. Alright, so we've covered canceling subscriptions and closing your Equifax account. But remember, this doesn't delete the information on your credit report. If there are any inaccuracies, you'll still need to file a dispute to get them corrected. There are also other credit bureaus out there, Experian and TransUnion. If you want to close accounts with them too, the process will be similar. Bonus tip, while you're at it, consider freezing your credit with all three bureaus. This adds an extra layer of security by making it harder for someone to open new accounts in your name. So there you have it. You've successfully navigated the world of Equifax account deletion, sort of. Remember, stay vigilant about your credit health. Monitor your reports regularly, dispute any errors, and consider freezing your credit if you feel the need for extra protection. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.